This video will demonstrate how to compute binomial distribution with CASiO fx991ex. Example 1. Given that x is binomial distributed with n equal to 20 and p equal to 0.4, find the probability of x equal to 12. We recall that if x is binomial distributed with n, p, then probability of x equal to small x here is equal to n cx px q n minus x, where q we know is 1 minus p. This is called the probability density function of binomial distribution. So probability of x equal to 12 is equal to 20 c 12, p is 0.4 power 12, and then 1 minus p is 0.6, and power 8, because 20 minus 12 is 8. Using the normal calculator, 20 c 12 times 0.4 power 12 move down times 0.6 close bracket power 8. This will give us 0.0355. We can also get the same answer by using class width fx991ex. First, we go to menu. Then 7 is the distribution, so equal. Then we are going to look at binomial probability density function 4. Then we are going to calculate based on variable 2. Okay, so x, we are computing 12. The number of 12 is 20, and the probability is 0.4. Then press equal again. The probability is 0.03549. This is how we get the probability of x equal to 12 as 0.0355. Another example. Suppose x is binomial distributed with n equal to 20, p equal to 0.4. We are going to find the probability of x less than or equal to 14. Now, the probability of x less than or equal to 14 is the sum of probability of x equal to 0 plus probability x equal to 1 all the way to probability of x equal to 14. Now, recall that probability of x equal to x is n cx p power x q power n minus x, where in this case n is 20, p is 0.4, q is 1 minus p is 0.6, and power 20 minus x. Now, Once we know this density function, we add up this probability. This is a summation of 20 Cx times 0.4 power x times 0.6 power 20 minus x, where x from 0 all the way to 14. The following is a demonstration how to use fx991es to calculate the cumulative probability of x less than or equal to 14. First, you are in the computational mode, and then shift sum, and you enter the term you're going to sum is 20 shift C alpha x times 0.4 raised to the power alpha x move down times 0.6 power 20 minus alpha x, then move down where x start from 0 all the way to 14, and then press equal. It's a 0.99838 or 0.9984. Let's look at how do we use CASiO class width to find the answer for probability of x less than or equal to 14. First, you go to menu for distribution 7. Then scroll down to get binomial cumulative distribution 1. Then use variable. We are going to find out the probability of x less than or equal to 14. So you key in 14. N is to 20. P is to 0.4. So you find that the probability of x less than or equal to 14 is 0.99838 or 0.9984.